Well, that is my day ended, and it is 25 to 6. That was a lot longer than I thought, but I managed to get as much as I could done. But now it's time to head home. But my train is at 7:30, which means I have 2 hours. I wonder where I'm going to go. Let's cue that intro and get this video started. Welcome passengers to Train Real World. We are making our way home, but first we've got to go via a special place. You're probably thinking, why again? But I don't care. I wanted to do it and treat Mrs. MegaSim to a nice takeaway box as well. So yeah, let's head back towards the train station and head to Chinatown. It has turned into a gorgeous afternoon, or it's been a gorgeous day today. Lovely sunshine as I've been going in between the customers' venues, getting that going. But yeah, now on to Tottenham Court Road, Liverpool Street to Tottenham Court Road on the Elizabeth line. Probably get there about 6:15, and then I should have enough time to eat, which will take about half an hour, and then I've got 45 minutes to get to St Pancras. So yeah, plenty of time to catch that 7:32 train back to Derby. And you're joining me, you're coming along with me as we get there. Oh look, it's me, St K, Miss MegaSim. As if you're going to be watching my videos. So here we are at Liverpool Street Station. And we're going down into the Elizabeth line. Just through the barriers, go towards the Elizabeth line. As I said, go to Tottenham Court Road, they're walking down from there. That's what we're going to be doing. So we need to get the Dean Street exit. Yeah, that's the one. Dean Street exit, and then yeah, head to the Chinese. Should have went further up, but you know what it's like. I'm not used to being in London, so I don't know the actual exits and entrances and the best place. But once you've been here long enough, you know what car door you need to come out of to get you straight out, and all the weird one ways that you could bypass. But yeah, even though I know London quite well, I'm still a novice. Right, skipped a little bit, just walked. But yeah, we are on Wardour Street and we are heading to the Keys. Don't know what I'm going to have yet, but I think I can figure it out. I've got some requests, so let's see what we get tonight. I will show you what we get, of course. Lovely jasmine green tea. Wonky.
Okay, there's a lot of bread and Burger King. I think
So we've got shredded duck fried rice, we've got sweet and sour pork Hong Kong style, and we've got the beef chow mein. All lovely tasty stuff. Looking forward to eating it. And there we are, we're done. That was nice. Got some takeaway food for Mrs. MegaSim when we get home. Yeah, let's head back towards St Pancras. I've got 40 minutes. Let's get going. I remember going to the bun house a couple of years ago. They got some nice like egg custard buns. They're really nice. Explode when you open them, but I don't know why they go through like that, because it's, and they just tooting the horns and all sorts, saying get out of my way. Well, they're a bit too big to be down here. It's a pedestrian zone. Dismount. Pull it along. Yeah, we're going this way because it's just a little bit easier than going through Leicester Square, because we did that last time. Yeah, coming up now. G's chicken over there. Like a bit of G's chicken. We got one in Sheffield. Go there. Been to the one in Brighton as well. That was fun. Yeah. Their popcorn chicken's lovely. With the garlic, spice, you know, powder on the top, seasoning. And they do plum as well. So they do fries and then you put the plum seasoning. That's really good as well. That's the second time my card has declined. Because I've got money in the account, but it just doesn't want to take it. So I've had to approve it twice, so they've let me through, which means that I'm going to get off the other end and it's going to charge me a lot more. So I'm just going to have to message them, and it takes a couple of weeks for it to filter through. So yeah, it's quite annoying. But never mind. Let's go on the Piccadilly line. I've got 40 minutes. I think when I said earlier I had 40 minutes, I had 50 minutes. So I've definitely got 40 minutes now. So we're on the platform now. Just waiting for our Piccadilly line train to come into the station and take us to King's Cross St Pancras. King's Cross St Pancras, set up to St Pancras International. We are on 7 o'clock, so plenty of time. I got through. They'll probably let you exit fine, just not enter, so I'll probably get the highest fare. So yeah, I've got to sort that out. So tomorrow it will come through wrong. I'll then send them the message, and it takes up to 2 weeks for them to filter it through. But if there's loads of problems, it just takes a bit longer, but it needs somebody manually to do it. So yeah, as you know, we did King's Cross St Pancras to Liverpool Street to Tottenham Court Road, and then Leicester Square to King's Cross St Pancras. Easy enough, isn't it? Anyway, coming up the escalators now into the station. So I've come to the top here as something's making a racket. Has it been overheating? So maybe it's one of the old ones. Maybe because of the weather, it's got to the station and it's still got the fan on just to cool itself down. Possibly, but yeah, it's making a right racket. I don't think it's fans up there. There isn't any. So it is a Eurostar making that noise. Just don't know why. Apart from the weather, of course. Too warm. Can't cope. If this can't cope, how can the HST cope in Nigeria and Mexico? I don't know. So we're on 012 this evening. Heading back up to Sheffield. This is the 7:30 service. What, 1932, 32 minutes past 7. 28 minutes to 8. We'll get back at 12 minutes past 9. There's A. Looks like she's got a coach A and they've got coach G. They paid to upgrade. I have no idea. They're probably just in another coach. I will admit, I did get another cheeky upgrade. I'm sorry. But because the deal was so good for the times, I was like, you know what? It's worth just paying the extra few quid to be in comfort. If it's busy, I don't have to worry. And I get a nice little drink on board too. Nothing alcoholic. They don't do that anymore. But yeah, let's head to the front of the train on Coach G, seat number 6. Clean the writing, but not the train. So the train is packed. So before we leave, every seat's taken in first class. So I've got to be careful showing things. So I'm going to edit this video. As you can see, this is the video that I'm doing now. I'm going to start it, and then when I get drinks and stuff, I will let you know. But as you can see, we've got like just under 12 minutes, so maybe a couple of minutes here and there. People may get off before Derby, but just to warn you, there's not going to be much. Just, it might be quite quick, so just be aware of that. I'm not going to show as much as I usually do. Not near a window. Every seat's taken, as I said. Anyway, about to leave in 4 minutes, so let's just start editing this video. So I've got my still water, my apple juice, and my cup of tea. They're my staples on first class. And then I got these chili and lemon hummus chips. Miss MegaSim might like these. And for Miss MegaSim, Pullins Bakery Victoria Sponge. I love the change that we get with these. There's so many different ones for Pullins Bakery. Every time I go on, there's always a new one. So yeah, we love enjoying these together. But yeah, Pullins Bakery, amazing. And these are quite decent sizes because GWI use Pullins Bakery and they always give you a smaller portion. But yeah, that's what we got today. So I've got another apple juice, tea, and a cheeky tea sandwich. That'd be nice. And another one of them, of course. Got it. So we're coming into Derby now, but I wanted to come out here because it's really busy. Oh, we've only gone past London. Didn't know we were that early. Yeah, I just wanted to say our ticket today, the advanced single from London St Pancras back to Derby, was £42. I did get a cheeky seat frog upgrade for £15, so that's 12 plus 3 booking fee. So in total for today, if you look at last week's video, was £100 for the 2 advanced singles, and then £29 for the first class upgrade, which I don't think is too bad, because, you know, try and put that on actual first class tickets and you're looking at 300-400 quid, and I'm not being, you know, I'm not being light with that. It can get to that, but yeah, so 29 quid for an upgrade for first class is amazing. But anyway, let's come into RTC and see what we got in there.
Shortly arriving at Derby. If you're leaving us here, check out all your personal items to ensure you retain your tickets. On departure, the service then calls Chesterfield and Sheffield. Next station is Derby.
us on today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from TrainPal World and the MegaSim. Let's watch this 222 go. I will see you on the next video. See you soon, guys. Wait a minute, I have to say bye when we turn around. Ooh, it's the purple one. Anyway, see you soon, guys. Bye.